In this video, I'm going to show you how to get email addresses from LinkedIn profiles in a simple and fast way. This is useful when you're researching potential clients, reaching out for networking, or trying to find the best contact details without wasting time. If this video helps you, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick tutorials like this. All right, let's jump right in. First, open the LinkedIn profile that you want to check. Once you're on the profile page, look toward the top and click the Me icon at the top of LinkedIn. This gives you access to your profile navigation options. From there, click View Profile so you can open the full profile page. Now that you're viewing the profile, look for the Contact Info section. This is where LinkedIn often stores the contact details the person has chosen to share. Click on Contact Info and a pop-up or panel should appear with the available information. Inside that contact information area, check for the email address. If the user has made it visible, you'll be able to find it there right away. Keep in mind that not every profile will show an email address because it depends on the person's privacy settings and what they've chosen to share publicly or with connections. If you can see the email, you're done. Just copy it carefully and make sure you use it responsibly and professionally. If you do not see an email address, then that means it's likely hidden, and you may need to connect with the person first or use another legitimate method of contact. So to recap, click the Me icon, click View Profile, open Contact Info, and check for the email address there. It's a quick process once you know where to look, and it can save you a lot of time during outreach. If this tutorial helped, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next helpful walkthrough. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.